All right, today I'm going to show you how to do some crown molding, and in this case it's going to be on some kitchen cabinets. Started out looking like this, now it's going to look like that, and here we go. I've got a notch cut in the top here so my crown molding can sit nice and flush and have a good corner. 44.5, time to go to the saw. All right, so the key is to put your crown molding on your saw the way it's going to sit on the wall. So when you angle your saw like this, it gives you the right angle of a cut. This is going to be for the right side where it's an inside corner, and I'll just slide it down to get my outer corner with the same angle, 44.5, and there we go. Got an inside corner and an outside corner here. Now to measure for this side piece and finish the corner. So I went ahead and cut my angle on the right side, and now I'm going to measure and mark the square end, and that'll be easy to get a nice perfect length cut. And there we go. Got a nice looking corner and some 2-inch trim nails to nail it in. Razor knife can help you clean up your edge if you got any little bits of overhang. All right, now I'm going to cut a piece to meet this end, and I'm going to do it a little bit different on the right side, but the left side is just going to be the same inner angled cut. So my right side, I'm just going to cut square and run it straight into the wall, and then I'm going to cut the inner angle on the left side at my 98-inch measurement. All right, now I can put that up there, and I don't have to worry about the right side being too perfect at all. Just going to make sure the left side is sitting nice and perfect. A little bit of caulk will give you some grace for any gaps. Now to get around this wall here. So my measurement is at 13 inches to my corner and the bottom of the left side. So I'm going to do a outer cut, and a corner like that is going to be 22.5 degrees. And then I've also got the same angled cut on my left side as if I was doing an inner angled corner, but since I'm just running straight into it, I'm going to take this coping saw and cut along the edge here so that it's going to let it join right into the other piece that I went square into the wall with. Basically, the point of doing that piece that way was so that I didn't have to get a super perfect cut, and it just made it easier to measure straight off the wall and do a square end. All right, there we go. Now let's go put it up. Not too bad. Little gap at the bottom, but not too bad at all. Little caulk could take care of that, no problem. And there we go. So there's your basics for crown molding. And in this case, it was on some kitchen cabinets. A little caulk on the top and the bottom, and it'll be ready for paint. That's how I do it, and that's how you can do it. Hope this video helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and check out some other cool videos about how to do some other cool stuff. Be blessed.